Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Blender tutorials how to unparent object. As example, I will select this cube and we can duplicate the cube object. Now if you want to parent, you can select these two objects, right click and then choose parent, click object. This object will be automatically parent because you can see this has the dot line from this object into here. So if you want to unparent this object, you can select, right click again, choose parent and then click on clear parent. So that's it, how to unparent in Blender. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.